Hi everyone, I am Subha and in this video I am going to compare 3 of the best KDP keyword and niche research tools. I will run the same keyword through these tools including Helium 10. Then I will do the same for Titans Pro, that is from self-publishing Titans. And lastly, I will also run the same keyword through Bookboard. So actually I am comparing Helium 10 versus Titans Pro versus Bookboard. So let's check out how it goes. First of all, I went to Helium 10 and from the tool section, I went to the magnet tool and in the search bar, I type math workbook. Then click on get keywords, run new search. Meanwhile, I am going to do the same here on Titans Pro. I went to tools, research tools and Titans Pro. That is keyword research for Amazon KDP, and it also supports a lot of other platforms including Etsy, Audible, eBay, Walmart, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, Google, Fiverr. So it has a lot of platforms included. For this video, I'm going to search on Amazon. Select the marketplace. I'm sticking with the Amazon.com. So click search. Finally, I will go to Bookboard. Under this keyword section, I will type the same keyword, that is math workbook, and click on search. The results are loading. Firstly, we can check the data from Helium 10. This is the keyword search summary. Total keywords are 3,951. Organic keywords are 1,109. Paid are 1,044. Smart complete 1,475. And Amazon recommended is 1,232. A lot of keywords. Helium 10 is also showing Amazon search volume, that is over 1.3 million. It also gives you the word frequency as well here. Like math is being searched 2,485 inside these keywords. Then grade and workbook. This is really helpful data, and you can see it also shows you a lot of things like keyword sale, magnet IQ score, search volume trend. For example, if you sort this by search volume trend, you can quickly find rising keywords like amazing visual math book. It is 6,790% going up. Competing products are only 274. It shows you a lot of opportunities, also a lot of low competition keywords. The very cool thing inside Helium 10 is you can narrow down by using some filters. Like I'm going to select minimum search volume as 500 and I want to select the maximum competing products as 3,000, and then I will click on apply filters. These two simple filters will shorten my list of keywords that was 3,951 to only 156 that I can easily go through and further sort by search volume trend or search volume alone. So I am seeing a lot of other keywords like teacher essentials middle school. It is being searched 581 times. Competing products are only 235. Third grade school supplies, that's another very good keyword. Over 2,000 search volume, 252% going up. It is going up 618%. That was the first keyword. Competing products are over 1,000. Second grade school supplies, same thing, high search volume, comparatively lower number of competing products, and it's also going up. So Helium 10 is one of the best tools for finding low competition keywords and niche ideas, not only for Amazon KDP but for every product being sold on Amazon. So now let's have a look at our next tool, that is Titans Pro. They have recently launched their updated version which supports a lot of platforms or search engines. And the thing I like the most about Titans Pro is they show you search volume, search results, that is competing products. Then they also assign demand score and opportunity score. You can quickly sort these keywords by search volume, by search results, demand score or opportunity score. The way I sort these keywords is by using opportunity score. They are only showing 85 search suggestions. These are very closely related to math workbook as opposed to Helium 10. Helium 10's magnet tool shows you a lot of related keywords, but Titans Pro is showing you most of Amazon search suggestions related to math workbook. These are very closely related. I will sort these by opportunity score because I want to see the keywords with highest opportunity. So math workbook grade 3, that's really good keywords. Search volume is almost 14,000. Search results are nearly 4,000 and the demand score is 7 and opportunity score is 9. Math workbook grade 2, that's another good keyword. Same search volume, almost same competing products, and demand score is 7 and opportunity score is 9. Our next keyword is math workbook grade 5. Search volume is 3,727 and the competing products are around 4,000. very similar to these two keywords. Here the demand score is 5 and the opportunity score is 9. Here comes our next keyword, math workbooks for kindergartners. Search volume is very high and the competing products are very low, under 1000. That could be very good keyword. You can create a math workbook for kindergarten or kindergartners. This could be your title of the book. Then is math workbook grade 2 to 3. It's a good keyword again. And then is math workbook grade 6. So this is how Titans Pro works. It works on all Amazon marketplaces. It also works on a lot of other platforms. It shows you highly related search results in a matter of seconds. You can copy all these keywords along with this data, or you can click on the download and save as .csv file. This was our second tool. Now let's move on to the third one, that is keyword research tool by Bookbolt, and it shows you keyword or phrase, then Amazon search volume. They also show you a second column where they show you Google most trending keywords. They show you Google search volume and also show you CPC, this is Google ads, and they also show you competition for Google ads. Based on this data, you can decide what is being searched inside Google and also on Amazon. This is Amazon search volume. We are going to see that first grade math workbook has a high search volume, nearly 18,000 first grade math workbook, math 100 days math workbook, 10th grade math workbook, a lot of keywords. These are 500 entries, and they also show you data based on Google search volume and similar thing. Like you can see, workbook math is being searched by 4,400 times in Google. Then IXL math workbook, this is a brand name. Kindergarten math is being searched 880 times. You can take this keyword, run it again into the search bar to get more ideas. You can copy any of these keywords and search on Amazon to see the search results and other data. They also give you an option to download these results or these Google most trending ones. Down below you can also see the frequent keywords being searched on Amazon, like math, workbook, grade, kindergarten, dimensions, Singapore. These are all frequent searches on Amazon. Then is frequent searches on Google, that is workbook, math, dimensions, Singapore, kindergarten. This is really helpful data because if you find a keyword that is low competition and has a lot of searches on Google, you are more likely to rank higher on Google search results and get organic traffic to your listings. So based upon this, I love this tool because it gives you very highly related keyword in very short period of time. That is Titans Pro, and it is one-off payment. The second is Helium 10. It is more advanced tool and it is way expensive as well. It is monthly subscription, cost a lot of money on ongoing basis. The best option is Titans Pro. You can check out the link in the description for all these tools. You can also get 20% discount on Bookbolt, then is 20% discount on 6 months for Helium 10. Links are in the description below. For Titans Pro, you can get this as a one-off payment, or you can also subscribe to their monthly plan. Let's check out the pricing. With self-publishing Titan, you can subscribe to monthly, yearly, or lifetime. If you click on the lifetime tab, you can still get discount on their other tools. Titans Pro is $149 for lifetime. As compared to that, Helium 10 is almost $99 per month, but with my coupon code, you can get 20% off on Helium 10 as well. Almost $79 after discount for next 6 months. Bookbolt is almost $9 per month without puzzle creation, and with my 20% discount, you can get a way lesser price for Bookbolt. Check out the link in the description and also let me know which one of these tools you have been using or which tool you like the most. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.